morning viewers, happy to see you in my channel again. And today I am going to discuss the main important thing in engineering graphics. The students are most of them unaware of these things, especially the main drawing instrument equipment. It's called as a mini drafter, which is a wonderful instrument in drawing the things very easily. Okay, this is a main instrument. Mainly we are going to use for different drafting operations, especially to draw a horizontal line, to draw a vertical line, inclined lines, parallel lines, perpendicular lines. All these things and all we can do it in a very simpler method. That is the method we are going to use the drafter here. Today I will explain you what are the things we need to do and how to use this drafter. Everything we are going to see detailedly one by one. And this drafter usage is very important in drawing the drawings for your all the particular components whatever you are going to draw in your drawing sheet. So use the drafter and draw the drawings in such a manner you can reduce the time, and moreover you can draw the drawings very neatly and accurately also. So yeah, this is the drafter equipment. Right now I am holding here. So this drafter, what are the components is there we need to have. So initially when you open the drafter, right, it will be like in this position. It will be placed inside your that particular package. Okay, so here we will have some two screws, two knobs. Okay, two knobs we will have. The small knob where we need to fix it at the end of the portion, how to keep your drafter scale inside that. So anyhow, just loosen this knob little bit so that you can able to expand. Okay, you can able to bring back this longer L-shaped scale here. So like this only the pattern will be there, and I will tell you how to fix it and those things and all. That's very important. And here what are the components mainly here is there will be two knobs. In addition to this we will have some double side bars, two parallel bars there will be there. So once if you receive a mini drafter you can able to see these things. Okay, and we can able to just loosen this, and we can able to loosen this knob also, so that you can able to move the scale.
You can view a mobile in by
direction.
keeping in
At an angle
landscape
of
mode for
360
better
degree, you can
viewing.
able to rotate it. Such a flexibility we are having in drafter, so that you can able to draw the drawings very perfectly. Now with this idea what I am going to do is I am going to fix this mini drafter in our position, what the required position. Guys, this is a long rectangular board. Okay, at the longer end of this I am going to this clamp, fix this clamp knob by using this clamp screw. We will have the screw at the bottom here. Just fix it in the table at the left top left. You can use it and you can able to fix it, and at a certain stage the screw will be tightened in the drawing board, and this is the shape you can able to see. So here there will be two parallel side boards, and here also it will be attached to here, and everything it will be pivoted here. Okay, now I can able to move the drafter everywhere. That is what I want to tell you. I can able to move it anywhere, and I can able to move the scale at any direction. These things and all I can able to do. So with this logic what I am going to do is, now first thing is before drawing the drawing room, right? So first thing is we need to ensure the initial position. We need to set the position for this drafter. So initially in the drafter you can able to see one small mark will be here. Okay, one small line will be there, one reference line. That reference line, it has to tally with the 0 degree of this particular one. Here we are going to have the protected scale division like 0, 10 degree, 20 degree, so that we can able to measure inclined angle also. And here this is a normal scale, this is L-shaped scale. Okay, so here there will be 0 degree will be there. We need to ensure that it should be matching with that. But one thing I want to tell you, in some drafters we will have some error will be there. Actually once I fix it right, once I fix that drafter, you can check the position how it looks. If I am going to place my skull parallel to this drawing board or parallel to your drawing sheet, whatever may be, okay, how does it looks, whether the 0 and 0 this will maintain or not, whether we need to check it. Here let me check it like in this manner. So right now I fix it parallel to this board, and I am checking the reading. What I am going to get is we will have some 3 divisions error will be there. So I will adjust accordingly. For example, if I want to draw any degree. For example, 40 degree, if I want to draw a line means I need to mark 43, then only this is 40 degree. In some drafters, automatically the 0 and the reference mark, it will be in a perfect manner. It will be along in a straight line. So then there is no issue in the drafter. Okay, so you keep this scale there. Okay, you keep this scale will be there at the reference, whether it is perfect to that. It should be parallel to matching that. Okay, so if you are going to match it, then you tighten the knob. Then what are the lines you are going to draw, right, in your drawing board or in your drawing sheet? Okay, by using the drawing board, and you are going to fix the drafter in a drawing sheet, whatever you are going to draw, that will be a perfect straight line. Okay, now I will go with some basic things how to draw. Once if you fix your drafter, right now I fix the drafter parallel to the drawing board. Okay, so this is a perfect one. Okay, if I am going to draw any lines, if I am going to draw any lines by using the drafter, right, so let me draw a line something like this. I can say this is a perfect straight line. After fixing the reference, this 0 degree to this reference line, or some error will be there, anyhow we need to fix parallel to your drawing sheet. After fixing the drawing sheet, you fix parallel to this drawing sheet, this scale, this long horizontal scale, right, this should be parallel to that. Then you fix your knob, then you tighten your knob here, then you draw a straight line. Okay, then if you're whatever the line you are going to draw, that will be a perfect straight line. Now if I want to draw a perpendicular line for this, it's very simple, right? Whenever I am telling you, if you want to draw a perpendicular line, so just go here, take this line as a reference line. Now the scale, how does it looks? It looks like in the form of a 90 degree, right? So if I am going to draw any line, now if I want to draw for this particular point, if I want to draw any perpendicular lines, right, it will be a perfect one. Just straight here, I can able to draw a straight line. I can say these two lines will be a perpendicular line, 100%. So no doubt about that. So we will get a wonderful perfect perpendicular lines here. Within a fraction of second we can able to draw it. That is the main usage here. And similarly in previous classes and all, I used to tell how to draw a parallel lines, right? So you guys will be feeling difficulty how to draw a parallel line and all. For example, if I am going to draw, now this is a 0 degree, right? Now some error will be there around 3 division. Now I am going to place my protector, I am going to rotate like this. For example, I kept it at around 33. Actually, since 3 errors are there, so I kept it at 33. Now I tighten the knob. Okay, if I am going to draw a line, I can say this line will be at an angle of 30 degree. So within a fraction of second we can able to put, by using a drafter scale, we can able to measure the angles. Now I want to draw a parallel lines towards this 30 degree. What I need to do, guys, it's very simple here. Just keep the scale like in this manner, about some divisions. For example, let us say distance of 50 mm I want to draw. Just keep this as 1, and 50 mm you just mark it. You tighten this knob. Now you kept this line, this 30 degree line parallel to the scale. Tighten the knob, don't loosen the knob, that's very important. Move the scale to that same position. Okay, if you are going to move that scale, you will get a, if you are going to draw a line, I can say these two lines are parallel to each other with some distance. Let me take here, I have taken around 50 mm. Okay, within a fraction of second I can able to draw a parallel lines, right? So some normal days what you used to do, we will move the scale approximately and we will go and we will draw a parallel line, right? Now what has happened? We can measure the distance, fix the knob, tighten the knob, then move the scale wherever it goes. If I want to draw it here, if I want to draw a parallel line at an angle of 30 degree, I can able to draw it here. I can able to draw it here. All are perfect lines. Within a fraction of second, we can able to draw it at whatever the convenient distance you want. So that's a wonderful usage of drawing the parallel lines in case of drafters. Okay. So this is what I want to tell you. Now next thing, the perpendicular lines, right? I already told you. So for this line, for particular line, if I want to draw perpendicular, it's very simple. I can able to draw it anywhere. So especially while drawing the curves, tangent and normal, right? Drawing the tangent and normal, we can use the drafter and within a fraction of second, we can able to finish it off. So that is the main usage of this drafter. So fix in your drawing board as per the directions what I have shown it to you. Okay, so this is a manner, and we can able to rotate in any direction and you can use the scale accordingly. So try to use the drafters and we can able to learn a lot of things, right? So tangent and normal, perpendicular lines and all, within a fraction of second we can able to put it here. So that is the main usage of drafter here. And once if you're using the drafter, then try to remove it from your drawing board. That's also very important. We have to very gently how to do it. First initially you loosen this knob, okay, some little bit you just loosen this knob, and similarly loosen the clamp screw at the smaller side of the knob, okay. Then you take it out, just loosen this little to the full extent, then loosen this one. You already loosened it, right? Just keep it like in this position and then tighten your knob, okay. So do it gently, don't use it very rough manner, that's very important. Then you fix your drafter scale inside like this position, then you tighten it, this smaller knob. And finally you keep it this entire thing in your particular bag, the mini drafter cover they used to have it, right? So keep it and use it very carefully. And I told generally used to tell, keep the scale is in very clear position, don't rub it on the rough surface of those things and all. That's very important. We need to keep it in a particular position and you have to draw it, okay. So that's the end of this mini drafter usage. So try to use the mini drafter usage in your drawings and draw the drawings by using the mini drafter scale to get your accurate measurement and wonderful drawings, and enjoy the drawing, guys. Thanks for watching this video.